Hey, I'm back, Suman Jain here with a new product, doing a quick review on rolling in cash. Mikhail E connected with me on Facebook asking me to just test his new product, whether it is working or not. And surprisingly, his product definitely worked. Let me show you what exactly is this method. Okay, he just showcases, like, discover the exact system that gets him to $40 per day in his PayPal, right? And this method, uh, here, any traffic source you send in with his method, the traffic definitely works. Either you are running a Facebook ads, or either you're running a solo ads, or YouTube, or any traffic medium, either a Bing ads or any traffic medium. All right, his methods, whatever his methods, definitely works crazy. Okay, let me show you a certain example. Can you see here? It's $60 which I've made in just 3 days with applying his method, and along with it, can you see this? I have made around $24 by applying his methods. It means that his method definitely works. But what exactly is his method? He generally talks about Devizu and Warrior Plus, where he showcases how exactly you need to find out a product, and which product definitely converts with any traffic source you send in. And though I'm a person who definitely walk through videos, but his method is it give you a PDF where it's a pictorial representations, and definitely within 20 minutes I was able to apply, and whatever I have made, though it is just $100, nearly to $80 to $90, but I've made with his whatever he has explained in his PDF. I've just applied it, and certainly this method works, guys. Definitely this method works. Okay, you can see it's any beginner can do this method. You don't need to create your own products, no connections of friends, or no technical skills, no sales letters, no launchings. If you want to buy Facebook ads, or nothing is important over here. No recruitment, which is one of the most BS, and you don't require any customer support, and among all, no boring webinars. Okay, any beginner can do this, and you definitely just think about it. If you are making every day about $100 to $200, you can do a lot of things, like you can go vacations, you can buy a car, you can pay your rent, clear your all debts, and life becomes more easy. So after implementing these methods, you can make your first online sale. I just shared with you first online sales. I have made video sales, and I apply this method even on other products which I affiliate with, like with other like ClickFunnels and hosting and all those products. So I have definitely increased my revenue from $20-30 a day to about $100 a day. So you can maximize the profit pulling potentials, and the method is just copy and pasting, guys. So there is in the rolling in cash comes in, and definitely here is what it is important. You need to understand what exactly this method involves into this PDF. It is a solid content of 40 pages with the images. It's a pictorial representation, so that then watching this video you would definitely see it, that watching the pictures, and you can do it. Okay, all you need to know is multiply your leads and sales, making it a whole lot of easier to get ROI on the traffic you buy or you generate. All right, and it includes even the tricks to make this copy paste so easy that you can start cashing it right away. And it includes even his person contact, so whenever you want any help, you can definitely get in help. And along with that, you definitely get 2 bonuses. Along with it, you even get my special bonuses as well. Okay, which is a very surprise. It is not one bonus. You would definitely get anywhere between 13 bonuses on YouTube strategies, and on marketing stuff, and how I market. Each and everything is involved into my bonus. So grab this copy now. You can see below the video there is a link. Just click on that link and grab the copy. This is the copy is not even higher than $5. Just grab in and you even have a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you don't make any money, you can give back and get back your money. So I would believe it is the testing worth it. And you can even see I don't give my testimonial so easy. I have even given my testimonial to this Mikhail about this product, because definitely his method definitely works. All right, so I'm sorry. There's one more thing, like he even has an auto which is a video section of this, which is cost you about $27, which you can buy it, and whatever you have learned in a pictorial, you can Mikhail walks through the videos, which is more easier and convenient. And along with that, you can go with a coaching program as well, which is really reasonably priced, $47, guys, because many coaches charge you anywhere between $297 to up to $2,000. He's just charging you $47. Along with that, he even give you a done for your service, which is more essentially where you don't do anything. The pricing are anywhere between $97 to $67. So with is done for your service, he gets you everything done for you. You just need to pay him a certain amount, and then all the work and everything is done by him, and you make a lot of cash at the back end. Okay, every day $100 to $200 coming in, pouring in, and the leads pouring into the business. So what are you waiting for? Get the copy, rolling in cash, make cash, and comment below if you have any questions so that I can help you with all the methods. All right.